I'm feeding my guppy with spirulina. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to JIMO TV. So today I'm just going to discuss you guys something about what happened yesterday. Because yesterday I went to our barangay, a local barangay hall here to process my travel permit. Because on the 14th of this month I'll be traveling to Misamis Occidental to process the renewal of my passport. And yesterday while I was processing my permit, while I was waiting for the permit to come out, I was waiting outside. I'm about to share you the video that I took yesterday. So yeah, here it is. And as you can see in the video, that there was a pond, and it's almost an empty because you barely can see the fish inside of it. And that's the this pond is located in front of the barangay hall, and the area where I am sitting at is the place where the people will wait while waiting for the result of their request. And I really noticed that the pond is really empty, and if you can see, there's two janitor fish, a big janitor fish, and the rest are mollies and swordtail. It's really sad to see that a kind of nice looking pond is empty, almost empty, and not working. Well, they should be working because it adds the beauty in front of the office of the hall. I don't know what happened. Maybe the filter maybe it's not working, or something else, but this should be running. And for me, as a newbie in fish keeping, this sort of makes me sad. The beauty of the pond and the construction of the pond is quite nice, but as I've said, it's not running, it's not working pretty well. So I was yesterday while I was waiting, I'm planning to drop some fishes in there to make it more lively looking, and add some water lily, I guess. So maybe I'm going to do it on the next couple of days. If there will be a lot of fishes in there swimming around, and also plants, maybe it'll add more beauty in that pond. So I guess that's all for this video, and that's all I wanted to share you guys and talk about. So see you guys next time, and hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe always, and take care, and bye for now.